there, I'm Marcella Hagan. I'm with the Hagan Group at Keller Williams Market Pro Realty. And I'm here today to ask you a question. Are you ready as a real estate agent to dominate 2020? If not, I have some answers for those questions. If you're a new agent, if you're an experienced agent and 2018 just hadn't been quite what you expected, a little disappointed in some of the things that you accomplished, then I'm here to talk to you today. 2018 has been a really fun year for us. We've been putting together systems and plans and lots of different things that can make a difference in a brand new agent, an existing agent, any agent that has a big why that can take them to the next level. We have a brand new commission split that we just launched with the team, which will be ready to hit the road running in 2020. Right now, we've got fourth quarter and we're doing a little special for the agents that are already here, and they're banking their bucks. So the ones of you that know me know that I like to dangle that carrot. I like to have Hagan Bucks and all the kind of things that go with it. It's called gamification. So it's sort of a fun thing that we've done for a long time. I've taken it to the next level, and I'm going to use it with my commission split. So you're going to be able to earn bucks, or you're going to be able to earn points, or gamify your job that you're doing as far as your career for real estate. So I'd love to explain it to you. You can reach 100%, and you can do it pretty easily. So it's a win-win for all of us. I have systems that are already in place. They're ready for you. Listing presentation, buyer presentations. I have newly appointed leadership that's on my team. I have leadership for dual career, leadership for part-time agents, and I have a leadership marketing and technology, someone that's going to be handing out leads, nurturing the leads, taking care of them, and getting them ready for you. So we're ready. We're just waiting for you to give us a call and come on board, and all of us together dominate 2020. Like I said, we're hiring, we're recruiting, and we're going to make 2020 the most fun year that you've ever had in your real estate career. Give me a call, Marcella, at 479-644-9042.